Well, it's time to put the kiddies to bed because I've got another fucking video for you. I just had a bloke go, oh, you fucking, my kids heard you swear at the start of your video. Hey, you fucking commented at 10 o'clock at night. What the fuck are your kids doing awake? Put them to bed. Be a good parent. Alright, so today we're going to fire some slugs. We're trying to see, obviously, because you've seen the title of the video, how accurate slugs are. We've got a gong at about 40-ish. We've got a gong at 100. We're going to try and shoot them. So what we're shooting today is Winchester slugs. These are pushing out at 1600 feet per second. They're rifled. They're proper hunting slugs for deer, supposedly. We're firing them out of smoothbore shotguns. So I guess we're going to see how accurate they really are. So first shots at 50. Once we get that dialed in, we're going to push out to 100. So we've got Jeff here again.
My name is Jeff.
My name's Jeff. So he's going to be shooting that sauce bottle yonder.
Might hit the GoPro.
Nah, should be right.
Straight over the top.
Yeah, high left.
High left. It's the sights, you know. Fuck it.
So you should be able to aim pretty much dead on. Left again.
I rushed that. Alright, I'm out. I don't want to waste any more good rounds.
Tapped out. I just reckon the shotgun doesn't fit you properly.
Yeah.
Or it's always going the one way.
Yeah.
But I won't go off too much until I hit this. Alright, so just so you guys can see, I'm just going to zoom in all the way, there's my finger, all the way down that little white dot. That's the 8-inch gong he's shooting at. He's doing it standing. Let's see how he does. I didn't have my ears on.
That would have been really loud. You should probably put them on.
Wait 1 second. Safety first, cunts.
That sounded like a hit, but
I'm not too sure.
oh yeah, no, I think I did.
No, short.
Yeah, yeah, that one didn't feel too good.
Right, 2 shots down, 2 misses. Let's see what we can do. They went short, so he's just going to change his point of aim slightly. It's going to go a little bit more centre, a little bit more top edge. See how he goes.
Got your ears on?
Got my ears on this time.
Okay.
Oh no, not hit.
Nah, I don't think so.
Way high.
Okay.
Unless it skipped. Left.
Yeah, right.
Almost, it was at the very top of the target, but left.
Yeah, that was a nice low hold.
Alright, so because I've shot my Adler with the slugs before and I kind of know where it's hitting, I'm going to give my Adler a crack. See if I can hit this fucking target. It's now partially obscured by grass and shit because I'm sitting down, but we'll see what happens, hey? Fucking hell, I can't really see anything. I'm going to aim 6 o'clock of the target. Ready?
Yep.
That fucking caned me. Holy.
I think there was a lot of splash high left, but I think the round went low
And ricked under it.
and came under it because it was like upward splash. So I think it was low right. Like
So yeah, I aimed pretty much 6 o'clock of the target. I'll just aim on.
I think, yeah.
Fuck me. Whew! Because you're not standing, you've got nowhere to go. Holy.
Straight into the shoulder.
Oh well, let's do it again.
Yep. I think that was high.
It looked high to me. It hurts the collarbone. Alright, well... Fuck, I don't know where I'm aiming now. This might be a very expensive flunk video.
Yeah. Did well to get that bloody stripe there. I was a bit closer though, wasn't it?
Yeah. Alright, we'll give it another crack. I'll go aim on again, but a little bit low.
Yeah.
Oh, I know why I would have gone high. I didn't really have a proper side picture. Okay. Oh, it was just left, I think.
Yeah.
Oh well, we're going 5 apiece. No hits.
Sort of kind of accurate.
I mean, if it's a deer, it's dead.
The thing is, yeah, if you hit it, you're fucking anywhere really. It's
Yeah.
not gonna have a good day.
But still,
Yeah.
not the most accurate thing in the world.
No. So that defender's a good day.
Yeah. I'm gonna aim slightly right.
Yeah.
And low.
That was definitely right.
Definitely right. I fucking win.
I reckon have a go standing up. Thinking about it too much?
Yeah, probably. Yeah, I'll have a crack standing up. Fuck it. Fucking hell! What collarbone?
Send it.
Fucking nailed it, cunt. Woo!
You're trying too hard.
Alright, let's go get the fucking GoPro.
Well, you don't bench rest the shotgun.
Yeah, don't bench rest the shotgun. Fuck.
You're a wizard, Harry.
You're a wizard, Harry. It's gonna be hard.
Yeah. Well, I can just see a whole bunch of grass.
I am not going to hit this. eh?
Had a look at it yet?
Yeah, it's about half the size of the dot.
Yeah.
Oh well. So here we go.
Oh, that was actually quite high. Like a target high.
Yeah.
Yeah. But
I don't know where the fuck I was
I
aiming.
was going to say, yeah. Can you be consistent in your point of aiming? You might just have to keep
What if I go
going
kneeling, maybe?
Hey.
Fucking woo! Second round at 100. Fucking suck my ass, you cunts.
I don't know what it's on the fucking 50-metre one then.
Fucking the Adler reign supreme. That's why you always shoot a gun that you know where the fucking point of aim is. Fucking yeah, I'm so fucking happy about that. Well, thanks for watching. Catch you next video. Hooroo.